Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about no makeup look. So without any further ado, let's quickly begin. So for moisturizer, I'm using Emollient, and this moisturizer is best for dry skin people. Next for eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil by Etude House. A lot of them pronounce it as Etude, I don't know, but I think Etude is the right way to pronounce it. I'm just outlining my eyebrows and filling them in. Next for concealer, I'm using my all-time favorite L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I will list down the shade names below in the description box. You can just check it out. The reason I'm using this particular concealer is because it is very lightweight. You won't even feel you have applied anything on your face. It's that light, literally that light. And also it gives pretty good coverage. And the whole idea of no makeup look is that you're not supposed to use a lot of makeup. That is, you're not supposed to use too much of foundation, too much of concealer. So I'm only going to use a concealer and no foundation at all. If you notice, I haven't used the concealer all over my face. I'm only going to use it in places where I need to use it, as in where I have a little bit of discolorations and stuff. This is another concealer by Maybelline, and this is one shade lighter than my skin tone. So I'm only using it in dots in areas that I want to brighten up. You can totally skip this step, it's not mandatory at all. But if you want to brighten up certain areas of your face, you can use a concealer that is one shade lighter than your skin tone. Next, to set my face, I'm using this Banana Luxury Powder by Forever 52. And trust me, this banana powder or the setting powder is really good. It's great actually. I'm not using too much of it. I'm just using very minimal amount to set my under eyes and my eyelids, because that's where you can crease. Also for this look, it is advisable to not use too much of your compact or loose powder or too much of foundation and concealer. Just keep it minimal. Next, I'm using this Kajal by Sugar, and I think by far this has been the best kajal that I've ever used. I have used too many kajals, but the formula of this is just mind-blowing. For blush, I'm using this Cheeky palette by LA Colors, and I'm using the nude shade here. The only reason I'm using this nude color and not any of those cute little colors is because the whole idea of this look is to keep everything minimal. Be it your foundation, no, not foundation, be it your concealer, be it your compact, or be it your blush. Everything has to be minimal. Next, for highlighter, I'm using this V-Face Duo Stick by Maybelline. This is my favorite highlighter stick of all times. I use this every time, like not every day, but every time. It gives a very subtle glow. Okay, now this step is completely optional. It is all up to you. If you want to use an eyeshadow, you can go ahead and use one. I'm using this Duotone by LA Colors, and I'm using the highlighted shade. I wanted my eyelids to have a little bit of luster, which is why I'm using this shade. However, you can totally skip this and use any light colored eyeshadow that you want to. Even if you don't want to use it, not a problem. If you want to use any nude colors, pastel colors, you can go ahead and use it. Now I'm going back with the same Cheeky palette, and I'm using this nude color. This is just to set my eyelids with that matte shade so that the luster is kind of mattified. The only reason I'm using this pink shade is because my camera will not capture that nude color that I had applied earlier, that nude eyeshadow. So I'm just using this pink eyeshadow to give a little tint, like a little color to my eyelids. Just very light, very minimal. Now the whole idea of no makeup look is not restricted to use minimal products or minimal amount of products only. You also have to look attractive if you're doing a no makeup look. Which is why I'm using this coriander shade from the chocolate cinnamon palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm using this shade only on my lower lash line. I'm going very light-handedly with this shade. If at any point of time you feel your eyeshadow is a little too much, and if you haven't luckily used too many shades on your eyelids, you can take a damp beauty blender and just dab that way on your eyelids. And there you have your eyelids looking natural as ever, just a little better. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I am so much in love with this mascara. Next, I'm using this Nude Kajal by Wet n Wild to apply on my waterline. I think this mascara game takes you to a whole new level because it just makes your eyes look so attractive even without having to apply an eyeliner, which is really great. Now to set my face, I'm using this setting spray by Sugar. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm using this lipstick by Faces Canada in the shade Buff Nude. And I tell you, I used to use this on a regular daily basis. This is my all-time favorite nude lipstick. I use it every day. Now, if you feel that there is too much of no makeup look going on here, and if you want to use a darker lipstick instead of a nude one, I have also done that for you. I've used a darker shade just to show you how that would look on a no makeup look. Now this is the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, and I'll list down the shade name in the description box below. Also, this lipstick by Faces Canada is so easy to remove, not like those annoying sticky lipsticks. Oh my god, this color, it's beautiful. And this is my final look. I hope you liked the video and I hope you could learn something from this video. If yes, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.